Welcome to this watercolor pumpkin tutorial. Today we'll be painting 3 pumpkins, a vibrant orange, a deep green, and a moody dark blue, framed beautifully in a fancy frame. Let's get started. Cut your watercolor paper into 4 by 6 inch rectangles. This size is perfect for our pumpkin compositions and fits nicely into a decorative frame. Begin by painting the center form of each pumpkin as an oblong oval shape. This forms the core of our pumpkin. It's nice to leave a little bit of the white from the paper shining through to give the impression of light reflecting. Paint the center of each pumpkin and then let them dry. This helps to form those distinguishing lobes. If the centers are wet, they will blend in with the side lobes. You can choose any color you like for these pumpkins. If you aren't a fan of orange, like me, go ahead and experiment and try with some blues or greens or even a plum or burgundy. Next, add the sides of the pumpkin on either side of the oval, leaving small white spaces to create the illusion of light reflecting on the pumpkin's surface. These don't have to be perfect. I just kind of eyeball it, make my shapes, and fill in as I go. You can always use a pencil for this part if you like, and sketch out your pumpkin before you begin. As you're adding these side lobes, you might want to keep them larger the closer to the center they are, and then let them become smaller and smaller as you go out to the edge of your watercolor paper. I try not to touch the edge of my paper, and also while I'm eyeballing these, if I see a section where I need to make one a little bit wider on the left, say, than on the right, I go ahead and do that. It just helps me keep things a little bit more centered. Finally, before we add the stems, I'm just going back in to add a little bit of shading, darken some spots, make those lobes really crisp and clean. So depending on how you painted your pumpkin, you will find little areas where a little bit darker paint will make things pop out a little bit more, and you'll want to blend in a little bit more dark in some of the lighter sections. You can just play this by ear and see what looks right. Alright, now it's time to add little stems. For the orange, I'm adding a little bit of my deep sap green here, and I'm just shaping the stem, and then I will fill it in and put a little twirly vine coming off at the end here. All that's left is to put these beauties into their frames. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed creating these colorful pumpkins. If you love this tutorial, be sure to check out my other autumn themed watercolor videos for more creative inspiration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Happy painting and see you next time.